Welcome to Development Computing. The topic of today is cheap domain and free web hosting. This is a remake of the first video because based on feedback received, I felt I could do better. And also I think this is an important topic, and if properly delivered, can be useful for many, especially those who are just starting out in business and would like to have a professional website to add a professional look to their business. There are many SMEs and business startups in PNG these days, and some of you might be thinking of owning your own company or business website in the near future. Now, before we go on, I'd like to say that owning a website is not needed to operate a business, although it does give you a sense of professionalism. It gives you that urge to stand out from the rest, and it can help in marketing your skill set. For instance, if you are applying for funding from a donor agency or from a bank, you can simply provide them with your website details and they'll just go there and read up more about what you do, your specialty, your skill set, etc. Having said that, I have also mentioned that you do not need a website to operate a business, but if you are thinking of going down that road, if you're thinking of owning your own website in the near future, or your business website in the near future, because you want to stand out from the rest, I'm here now to show you how easy that can be done, how easy you can buy a cheap domain name and you can host your website for free. This video will be made in TOKPISIN, and I hope this is a better quality video compared to the first. Anyway, how can I know that unless you tell me, right? So remember to leave a comment below. I would really appreciate your feedback, and if you find this video helpful to you, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more similar videos in the future. Domain name and one and something, or domain name registration and one and something. Now English lawyer, suppose you look here and talk. It's a process of acquiring a domain name from a domain name registrar. Suppose you serve a domain name, na domain name registration process. Good plan you, but suppose you know serve no can worry, but me try and explain him lo easy way so you can understand him. Topos you got business. Na you like put him business blue lo website blue, so another line can look him or service you provide him. So domain name lo display where you make a talk person. Domain name can name the business blue, company blue, or can any name where you like you simply make him one and walk you like make him. Display an example house kai business. Suppose you got house kai and they like put him service blue lo website blue, so on another line you can look him by you register him domain name blue na and can look something awesome bulolo housekai.com. Time you straighten finish domain name blue na you save now one name by you like use him. Next step I'm to register him domain name blue one time one domain name registrar. Now inside the PNG you may got PNG Unitech stop University of Technology. Or for something lo take note lo here suppose you register him domain name blue one time PNG Unitech. By you got click senis lo name or some past time you may look him domain name stop1time.com. But now this senis by by you looking mo bigat one pla extra extension .pg. So suppose name blow domain blow you or domain name blow you stop on them .net, then number send is about look awesome .net.pg. Tasalo this video but me talk lol one kind service providers. I'll call him all the domain name registrars stop online or but you find him on the internet. Sample main one where I think you've been finished lamb main name chip na GoDaddy. Tasalo look for me. This is two plain no cheap. In fact, GoDaddy expensive. So Bami Talk lo sample cheap option is that where you can use them. Narap something to lo PNG Unitech domain name registration process. Me it no clear. So suppose you want la viewer you save lo process registration process or you save lo information lo fees amas pricing. Please feel free to comment the comment section. Ta-da! How cool is this? Website hosting. Website hosting M1M something. Or type URL online talk web hosting or website hosting. M will talk one. You can look in here or talk English and talk. When a hosting provider allocates space on a web server for a website to store its files, they are hosting a website. Is it a way of me explaining this la? Well, again, suppose you save or website hosting or web hosting, good to you, but suppose you know save, but me try lo explaining so you can understand him. Now, is it a way of we can explaining this line? Web hosting provider or company giving you space the server blow all, so you can put in website where you go stop, so it can come up available or public, or anyone can go online or go to the internet. Now go to the website where you are looking information or when you walking or looking the survey or when you walk business where you walking. So one of difference the hosting providers na domain registrars. Hosting providers all can help you lo hosting website below you. Na domain name registrars but all can help you lo registerable domain name below you. Some people all is la hosting providers. I think you save finish loyam one play mo skater. Naraply Bluehost, tiga to naraply stop. On to something lol this la hosting providers all can help you to register a domain name below you. Suppose you like hosting website on them all. Now you need a website domain name registered, then you can just give domain name below you. Now all the registered will be after you. This brings me to the end of a two-part video series. In the second video, I will show how you can easily register your domain name for a cheap price and how you can host your website for free. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to see more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas.